what's around the next corner. So I'm completely aware that my mirror is a little dirty right now, so if you can actually see my outfit, props to you. But basically I'm just wearing my oversized denim jacket that I'm kind of just wearing like off the shoulder a little bit. It's really big, but yeah, I got it from Target. And then underneath I'm just wearing like a white tube top that I got from Forever 21. And these jeans are actually my roommates, but they're from Forever 21 as well. And I'm just wearing some snakeskin boots that are from Fashion Nova. And all my jewelry is gold. My watch is Michael Kors. My rings, you see. And then I'm just wearing this like layered necklace or whatever. And then I have like little like gold jewels in my hair that kind of like accent like all the gold. And then my zipper on my boots are gold, so like everything's gold. If you can't tell, I'm literally out of breath. That is sad. But yeah, and I just have a book bag on my back because it's really cute, and purses are kind of overrated, but this is it. And I hope you enjoy it, and I'll see you guys later. Bye.
Raindrop, drop top, hot top, smoking, no cooking, the hot pot. Fucking on your bitch, yeah, that. Looking up, open the park,